Hello students, today we will discuss about heat transfer or heat exchange between two objects with different temperature. So from textbook we know that if we consider a object A with temperature T1 and another object B with temperature T2, so that T2 is greater than T1, which means object B is hotter or warmer than object A, meaning object B has higher temperature than object A. Now if two objects comes under physical contact, then we know that there will be a heat transfer between warm object B to object A, and the heat is denoted as H. Now we will see this from the experiment, that if this is happening. Let's go to the experiment. Here we come to the experiment. For the experiment we choose two objects, A as big ice pack. It is nicely packed inside a plastic bag so that no water, cold water from ice comes out, and another object is normal water, which we take and we measure its temperature by using this thermometer, and its temperature is 22.3 degrees centigrade, and this temperature is quite stable over the time. Now we are going to gently keep this big ice bag inside the water very carefully, and we make sure that this ice bag will be away from touching the thermometer, so that it directly doesn't take the temperature of ice bag, rather it always take the temperature of water which is already in the tray, and this temperature is 22.3 degrees centigrade, which we have noted just. Now we will wait and see if the water temperature is changing over the time. As we see here, water temperature is dropping, and now it is temperature of 21.3, and previously it was 22.3 degrees centigrade. So about 1 degree centigrade temperature dropped, and now this dropping is happening very faster. So as we can see, now water temperature is dropping because of ice bag comes to a physical contact with the normal water what we had. So this clearly says that two different objects, in our case normal water in the tray and ice bag, those who are in the different temperature, if they comes to their physical contact, there will be heat exchange. So the normal water is losing heat, and therefore it is getting cold, and ice is basically accepting the temperature. So there is a kind of heat flow, which is a direct proof. So this proves our concept that if two objects, in our case ice and normal water, if they comes to the physical contact, there will be heat exchange from hot object, namely water, to cold object, ice.